Hey everyone, you are watching English with Cockroach. So, guys, today we all are going to do some activity, and this activity is on use of can. Yeah, everybody, models, model auxiliary verb, and they all are doing well in study, and right now they will do right. So, keep watching till the end and try to improve your English as well, like him, right? And like them. Yeah. Today we are going to do activity on models, and we will try to know about it, how to use it, right? How to use it, but by Hindi. By Hindi. As we know that there are lots of models, right? In English, model auxiliary verb, it is also known as model auxiliary verb, right? We can say that can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, used to, ought to, must, need, and dare. These all are models. These all are models, but it is not possible to study all of once. So we will try to learn it one by one. So today we are going to practice only and only can. What are going to be practiced today?
Can.
Can. What?
Can.
Say loudly. What?
Can.
Can. Yeah, of course, ladies and gentlemen. ऐसे ही मैं तुम्हें ये can दे दूंगा, तुम्हारे अंदर ability आ जाएगी. क्या आ जाएगी? Ability आ जाएगी कुछ भी करने की. क्या करने की? कुछ भी करने की, कोई सी भी एक्शन करने की एबिलिटी आ जाएगी. और साथ ही साथ तुम कैपेबल हो जाओगे. क्या हो जाओगे? कैपेबल हो जाओगे. ठीक. उन्होंने कहा ये एबिलिटी की मदद से तुम कुछ भी कर सकते हो. तुम बोल सकते हो, तुम पढ़ सकते हो, तुम गा सकते हो, तुम जा सकते हो, तुम जो भी कुछ करना चाहो वो कर सकते हो. तो भाई साहब, यदि हम लोग हिंदी के जरिए समझने की कोशिश करें तो बाबा जो समझाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं वो सकना का सेंस आ रहा है. किसका सेंस आ रहा है? मतलब कोई भी एक्शन आप जो कर सकते हो उस सेंस में हम लोग यूज करते हैं कैन का. किसका यूज करते हैं? कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी, कैन का यूज. किसका यूज? कैन का. सो वी विल ट्राई टू यूज इट. बाबा ने कहा कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. जैसे मैं बोल सकता हूँ आई कैन स्पीक, मैं लिख सकता हूँ
I can write.
आई कैन राइट. तुम बोल सकते हो,
You can speak.
हम सब बोल सकते हैं.
We all can speak.
Oh my God, there is no energy inside you. Please be energetic, man. Hello. मैं हिंदी बोलूंगा और आप इंग्लिश बोलोगे. कैन का यूज करेंगे हम लोग. याद रखना, कैन के साथ साथ जो है बेस फॉर्म यूज करते हैं. कौन सा फॉर्म यूज करते हैं? बेस फॉर्म. जितने भी मॉडल्स होते हैं उन सब के साथ बेस फॉर्म यूज करते हैं. बेस फॉर्म कहने का मतलब फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब, यानी V1. V1 क्या बोलते हैं उसको? V1, राइट. कैन के साथ V1. जैसे कैन के साथ गो, कैन के साथ कम, कैन के साथ विजिट, ऐसे करके. विजिटेड नहीं कहेंगे, केम नहीं कहेंगे, वेंट नहीं कहेंगे. ठीक. कैन के साथ बेस फॉर्म. आर यू रेडी गाइस?
Yes.
So I will ask some questions end of the session, right? But now we are going to practice how to use can and how to make sentences by using can. Are you getting or not?
Yes.
Oh my God, nice. So मैं बोलूंगा हिंदी, right? And you will try to translate it by using can. समझ रहे हैं?
Yes.
आप कोशिश करेंगे कैन का यूज करके उसको ट्रांसलेट करने की. Are you ready, guys?
Yes.
Say yes, I am ready, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you speak?
Yes, sir.
Can you speak?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, very nice. You didn't say yes, I can speak. Say I can speak. Very nice, very nice. Oh, hello. So first sentence is मैं बोल सकता हूँ.
I can speak.
मैं जा सकता हूँ.
I can go.
तुम आ सकते हो.
You can come.
आप जा सकते हैं.
You can go.
You can go. Right? आप पढ़ सकते हैं.
You can read.
आप खड़े हो सकते हैं.
You can stand.
आप खड़े हो सकते हैं.
You can stand.
Can stand. You can stand. आप ये काम कर सकते हैं.
You can do this work.
You can
Do this.
do this work. Very nice. मैं किताब पढ़ सकता हूँ.
I can read.
I can.
Read book.
मैं यहाँ वॉक कर सकता हूँ.
I can walk here.
I can walk here. Guys, you will not say anything, please. Say loudly, right? मैं बोल सकता हूँ.
I can speak.
मैं जा सकता हूँ.
I can go.
loudly.
I can go.
Very nice. मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ.
I can read.
मैं लिख सकता हूँ.
I can write.
मैं जा सकता हूँ.
I can go.
मैं दौड़ सकता हूँ.
I can run.
मैं तेज दौड़ सकता हूँ.
I can run fast.
Oh, very nice, very nice. मैं खाना बना सकता हूँ.
I can cook food.
I can cook.
Cooked food.
I can
Cooked
cook.
food.
Cooked, not cooked. I can cook.
I can cook.
I can cook.
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 Food.
Oh, very nice. Okay. मैं लिख सकता हूँ.
I can read.
लिख सकता हूँ.
I can
Write.
write.
I can
Write.
write. I can
Write.
write. मैं लिख सकता हूँ.
I can write.
Very nice. You will tell. मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ.
I can read.
मैं पढ़ा सकता हूँ.
I can teach.
Very nice. मैं राइड कर सकता हूँ.
I can write.
Very nice. मैं तैर सकता हूँ.
I can swimming.
I can
Swim.
swim. I can.
Swim.
Very nice. मैं उड़ सकता हूँ.
I can fly.
I can fly. Very nice. Very nice. So once again, I'm going to ask some questions, right? I will ask some questions by using can, and you will answer by using can, right? For example, if I ask, "Can you speak?" then you will say, "Yes, I can speak." If you don't speak, if you're not able to speak, then you will say, "No, I cannot speak." No, I cannot speak, right? समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
So get ready for that. Okay. So we will try to learn it. Okay. Can you speak? Yes, I can speak.
Yes, I can speak.
Say once again. Can you speak?
Yes, I can say speak.
I can speak
I
only.
can speak.
Okay, nice. Can you write?
Yes, I can write.
Very nice. Can you walk?
Yes, yes, I am.
I
I
can
can
walk. Can you walk?
Yes, I can walk.
Oh my God. Can you teach?
Yes, I can teach.
Very nice. Can you solve?
Yes, I can solve.
Very nice. Can you walk?
I can walk.
Yes, I can walk. Okay, tell me. Can you ride a bike? Can you ride bike?
Yes, I can
Ride?
bike.
Oh, very nice. Can you write?
I can write.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, tell. Can you buy something?
Yes, I can buy something.
Oh, for whom? Oh my God. Okay, tell. Can you ride bicycle?
Yes, I can ride bicycle.
Oh, very nice. Can you write a novel?
Yes, I can write a novel.
Very nice. Okay, tell. Can you jump?
Yes, I can jump.
Very nice. Okay, can you fly?
Yes, I can fly.
Very nice, very nice. So guys, now आपने तो आंसर किया पूरा कंप्लीट सेंटेंस में, राइट? कैन का यूज करके यदि कोई आपसे पूछता है, ठीक, तो आप उसको आंसर कर सकते हो बस yes I can, yes you can. Tell only yes, subject and the can, right? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very nice. So I will ask to you, tell. Okay, can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Very nice. Can you walk?
Yes, I can.
Very nice. Can you run fast?
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can. Okay, nice. Okay, tell. Can you climb up?
Yes, I can.
Very nice. Okay, you tell. Can you drink?
Yes, I can.
Very nice. Can you work?
Yes, I can.
Oh my God. Can you work for me?
Yes, I can.
Very nice. Can you teach me?
Yes, I can.
Oh, very nice. Oh, can you write a novel?
Yes, I can.
Oh, very nice. Can you write a letter?
Yes, I can.
Very nice. Okay, can you run fast?
No, I cannot.
I cannot. Very nice. Okay, tell me, can you pluck the flower?
Yes, I can.
Very nice, very nice. You will tell. Can you narrate a story?
Yes, I can narrate a story.
You will say, yes, I can only, right? Okay, can you narrate a story?
Yes, I can.
Very nice. Yes, I can. But, Kush, there is no energy inside. What happened to you today? Imitate. Imitate यानी इसको बोलते हैं शैडो प्रैक्टिसिंग. क्या बोलते हैं? शैडो प्रैक्टिसिंग. जैसे जैसे मैं करूँगा वैसे आपको करना है, right? So guys, are you ready? So guys, by helping can, we are going to practice and you will just imitate me. What will you do? Imitate. Imitate. Just you will imitate me. That means you try to copy me. Just for a moment, you will be a copycat. You will be A copycat, Nakalchi Billy, right? Okay. Oh my God, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, there is no energy. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Say loudly. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very nice. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, say I can speak.
I can speak.
Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Do you know? I can speak.
I can speak.
I can run.
I can run.
I can jump.
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 I can speak.
I can speak.
Do you know?
You know.
Do you know?
You know.
I can do everything because I am able to speak.
Able to speak.
I am
I am
able to learn
able to learn
anything.
anything.
Instead of saying this, we can say that.
You can say that.
We can say that.
You can say that.
I can learn.
I can learn.
I can watch.
I can watch.
I can watch.
I can watch.
I can go.
I can go.
I can come.
I can come.
Hey, do you know?
Hey,
Like this. Hey, do you know?
hey, you know.
Do your hands like this. Hey, do you know?
Hey, you know.
I can do everything.
I can do.
Like this. I can do everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, I can
I can
teach you.
teach you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody,
Everybody.
I can teach you.
I can teach you.
I can teach you.
I can teach you.
I can teach you many languages.
I can teach you many languages.
But right now,
But right now,
I can teach you
I can teach you.
English only.
English only.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody.
Everybody.
So,
So
today,
today,
right now,
right now,
I can
I can
say it
say it
loudly.
loudly.
I
I
can
can
improve
improve
whatever
whatever
may
may
happen.
happen.
Whatever may happen.
Whatever may happen.
I can
I can
do everything.
do everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Say hello.
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 I can
I can
run.
run.
I can
I can
go.
go.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, tell me. Can you be a brave?
Can you be a
Say, can you be a brave? Like this. Can you be a brave?
Can you be a brave?
Yes.
Yes.
I can be brave.
Can you be brave?
Can you be disciplined?
Can you be
Oh my God. Can you be disciplined?
can you be disciplined?
Yes.
Yes.
I can be disciplined.
I can be.
Okay, can you be happy?
Can you be happy?
Yes.
Yes.
I can be happy.
I can be happy.
I can be happy.
I can be happy.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you be disappointed?
Can you be disappointed?
No.
No.
I can't be.
I can't be.
I cannot be.
I cannot be.
I cannot be disappointed.
I cannot be.
So, guys, right now I would like to conclude this session because all of you feel exhausted right now. So, you can't be exhausted because you're here to learn, right?